Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching homemade Turkish foods. If you ever wanted to make homemade filled Bosnian pastry, you gotta check out this recipe. I will teach you how to make delicious homemade dishes to share with your family and friends. Well, let's get started. First of all, we are chopping nearly a kilo of leek, then transferring into a deep pot with nearly 50 grams of liquid oil, and then stir roughly. It is not necessary to cook completely, just pre-cooking. Then let it rest for an hour to reach the room temperature. Then we added 2 grams of feta cheese or white cheese. Meanwhile, we can prepare the dough of the pastry. What we need for the dough is just flour, water and salt. We have measured out the flour starting with 5 glasses of flour or about half a kilo of flour. Probably we need more, but we decided to add extra flour by looking at the consistency of the dough. Then 2 glasses of water over the flour and 20 grams of salt based on your taste. I'm gonna stir by the help of a spatula. We have to get a non-stick and soft dough. Dough have to be completely non-stick. This is one of the key points of the making Bosnian pastry. By the way, I wanna say something. Instead of leek, you can try this recipe with ground beef, cheese, potatoes, or spinach. Completely non-stick like that. I am gonna divide the dough into 4 pieces, then shape like a ball by using our palm. I am making ball-like shapes by using my palm. Spread some oil on a huge flat plate. Then pour some flour over the flat surface and roll out the dough by using our hand. You can also use a rolling pin. Put on it top of each other, then spread melting butter or liquid oil on dough. At that point, the most important key point comes. Rest all the dough at least for 1 hour. If not so, you may not roll out the dough. I am melting 150 grams of butter and pour 50 grams of liquid oil over the butter. Not boiling, just melting. While resting the dough pieces, you can prepare your rollout area. Spread some oil on the surface, but not too much. Spread some oil on the tray as well. I take one of the pieces and stretch it like that. It will enlarge incredibly, like a magic. That's why gluten in the flour makes the dough more elastic. Therefore, resting the dough is the most important part of the recipe. I wanna give you another trick. We have gotta thin the edges as possible as we can to reach a mesmerizing taste. By the way, if you like this video, don't forget to press like button and subscribe. We spread some oil mixture on filo dough evenly and fold one edge like that. We spread some filling on filo dough equally. Spread it on just half of the filo dough. Rolling. Fold another edge. A view from the baking part. 200 degrees Celsius for nearly 1 hour, of course based on your oven. Crunchy top and fluffy inside. I am silent and Pastry is talking. Yummy, crunchy, tasty. I highly recommend this pastry. You may try other fillings as well. Ground meat, potatoes, spinach. Have a good meal.